The Circuit of the Americas Garage is a dynamic 5-level parking facility in Del Valle, Texas, delivering both performance and efficiency. It features 4 elevated decks and a streamlined 3-bay layout engineered for maximum flow with a dedicated exterior ramp to accelerate loading and unloading during heavily trafficked events. The garage was thoughtfully designed with the future in mind and structurally prepared to support 2 additional levels when needed. By leveraging the benefits of precast concrete construction, the team maintained an extremely aggressive schedule, ensuring the garage was fully ready for the venue's biggest event of the year. The issue for permit drawings were released in February of 2025. The complete precast submittal was finished in about 5 weeks, followed by an 11-week production phase from April to June. Installation was completed in under 4 weeks. This was made possible by using 2 cranes with an additional second shift on one of them. The garage was fully completed just in time for the F1 United States Grand Prix in mid-October of 2025. Precast concrete manufacturer CoreSlab Structures Texas utilized their efficient detailing methods and proven standard member sizes and configurations to streamline the process, accelerating the schedule while preserving key budget advantages, all while ensuring they were not compromising the end user experience. By utilizing precast concrete, this garage went from final design to open in less than 8 months. The speed of construction and pre-planned future expansion resulted in a practical, high-capacity structure ready to meet the demands of the world-class events at the Circuit of the Americas.